Step-by-step guide on how to utilize advanced security features in Microsoft Edge to enhance your browsing privacy and security. Enabling Smartscreen. Go to the Microsoft Edge browser. Click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the browser window. Choose Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, select Privacy, Search, and Services from the options on the left-hand side. Scroll down to the Security section. Toggle the switch next to Microsoft Defender Smartscreen to enable it. This feature will help protect you from phishing websites and malicious downloads by checking the sites you visit against a dynamic list of reported phishing and malware sites. Exploring Windows Defender Application Guard. Note that this feature might not be available in all versions of Microsoft Edge. Ensure you have the appropriate version that supports Application Guard. Access the Windows Security app on your computer. Click on App and Browser Control from the options on the left side. Navigate to Isolated Browsing or Application Guard, depending on your system's configuration. Install the Application Guard or toggle the switch to enable Application Guard. Application Guard helps protect your computer from advanced attacks by isolating potentially malicious files and websites in a secure container, preventing them from affecting your system. By following these steps, you can effectively enable and utilize the advanced security features in Microsoft Edge, providing an extra layer of protection against online threats and enhancing your overall browsing security and privacy.
Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thank you.